Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Gemma 4. So before downloading Gemma 4, you're going to have to download Olama. So open your browser, type in download Olama, and then you will see download Olama on Windows. Click onto that link, you will see download Olama. Select your PC, in my case, it's Windows. Now, once you have downloaded this, you will be able to see an exe file. So let's wait for this application to be downloaded in our PC. Once you see your exe file being downloaded, select it and launch it. Now, once you have installed it, launch it, then select install. It might take a while depending upon your internet connection. Now, as you launch your Olama, you will see a page like this. In here, directly select new chat, and this looks something like ChatGPT. Under select a model, expanded, directly search for Gemma 4. And then there you have it. Go ahead and click onto it. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.